So you might be in a situation where for some reason ChatGPT is just not going through and basically generating or creating any images. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the main reason why something like this could end up happening is usually because sometimes it might not actually have the right, prompt for it to create those images in general. So go through, make sure you're, giving it the right prompt, because sometimes if you do that, then it'll create the image. Now, another thing that can happen is you might get a prompt like this. It might tell you that lots of people are going through and basically trying to create images and they're not able to actually create it. This can also be another very, very big thing that ends up happening here too. You might just have to wait it out and wait probably longer than you'd probably expect for an image to be created. You can also go through and just kind of wait out, and you can also go back to your library at a later point, still use, ChatGPT as you normally would. But you can see the longer you wait, the higher likelihood you have of it actually ending up being created. So you want to just give it some time. Make sure your internet connection is also a good internet connection. If your internet connection is faulty, if it's not a good internet connection, that can also be another big problem. Now, you might also have to go through and try updating your ChatGPT application. So make your way over to your App Store just like this, and try going into your update panel right here, and try updating the ChatGPT app. A lot of the times, that's probably what you're going to have to do too, and that might end up fixing the problem for you as well. So those are kind of the main ways to go and do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.